अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। आज हम गेम का तीसरा मिशन करने वाले हैं। ये मिशन डिफिकल्ट भी होगा और इतना आसान भी नहीं है, इतना मुश्किल भी नहीं है मेरे ख्याल से। पहले हमने ये मिशन किया तो नहीं है, लेकिन पिछले जो मिशन थे उनमें एक दो दफ़ा नाकाम हुए थे, लेकिन उसमें कोशिश करने की वजह से हम कामयाब हो गए थे। इसमें देखते हैं हम कामयाब हो सकते हैं इस मिशन में या नहीं। अभी जिस तरह गेम स्टार्ट होती है हम मिशन लगाते हैं, फिर उसके बाद देखते हैं कि हम इसमें कामयाब हो सकते हैं। आज हम वो वाला मिशन चूज करेंगे जिसमें हम एक जगह में जाएंगे, जगह पे तो उधर जाके हमने कुछ बंदों के साथ हमारी फाइट हो गई, फायरिंग हो गई उधर। देखते हैं हम उस फायरिंग में
good to see you. So good.
मारते हैं या
All's
नहीं
me.
मारते हैं।
Yeah, look, man. Look,
ये
we've been working together for
मिशन
about
का
a few months now, right?
मिशन
Which is
शुरू हो चुका है।
why
ये
I am
मिशन का हिस्सा
very
है।
honored.
ठीक है,
Let's go to Vespucci.
देखते हैं।
Magellan
तो
Man.
लेट्स गो गाइस। अपने भाई की ड्राइविंग चेक करना।
Hey, wasn't that motherfucker who took the bike that S.A. Vagos dude? With the tattoo on his face and shit?
Yeah, that was him.
Fuck, homie. I don't want no unnecessary bullshit here, alright?
Nigga, I don't give a... Y'all
Oh
menace.
my god.
Nigga, I don't give a shit. It's a reason Simeon pays a couple of mean-looking motherfuckers to come repo this shit. We ain't Girl Scouts.
In your case, I ain't so sure about that.
Man, step up, nigga. Of course this dude real. Who else gonna have to require surplus of paper and deficiency of brain cells? He just put a dub
चेक
down
करो
on his
भाई,
bike.
किस तरह
20 G's?
तुम्हारे
With
भाई।
a 3G note?
Damn, that motherfucker must be tricked out,
Oh,
dog.
Man, this
wow.
whole setup designed to take drug
यार
money.
किस
Alright,
इतना
man,
प्यारा
look, we
कंट्रोल
go in
करता है तुम्हारा
quiet.
भाई
In and
गाड़ी।
out, no fucking...
Motherfucker!
In and out, no fucking drama.
I'll try, homie, but I'm one loud, dramatic, brash, crazy, greedy, shoot a motherfucker in the back type motherfucker. And you love me for it, nigga.
Yeah, that's right, homie.
चेक
Nothing
करो
but love,
यार।
nigga.
That Simeon a funny dude, though. It's gonna be a shame when we get to book his ass and jack him for all this shit.
What the fuck you talking about? You a psychotic motherfucker.
The bike should be in one of the lockups now.
ये हम जगह पे पहुंच चुके हैं जिधर हमारा मिशन होगा। चलते हैं हम मिशन की तरफ।
I'm gonna make this look easy. Make this crazy motherfucker want something. Hey, what's up, homie? You alright?
ये मेरा साथी है, ठीक है। हम दोनों ने मिलकर इधर फाइट
Yeah, you
करनी
thought I
है,
was gonna hit your bitch
फाइटिंग
ass, huh?
करनी है।
Drunk ass nigga. Be cool, nigga. Yeah, that's right. Keep it moving, bitch.
I don't like this shit one bit. Hey, look, let's keep it smooth.
Man, your pussy the only thing that's smooth up in this shit.
Man, what exactly did I do in the past night to deserve your stupid ass?
It's a routine lick, dog.
Shit, do them Vagos look routine? It's a shady ass act.
Shit, we in Vespucci Beach.
We're on the wrong side of this Poochie Beach. You should know a block makes a difference.
Hey, hold up.
Listen, one of these lockups.
Ain't this about a bitch? Ain't no motherfucking bike in here, man.
No shit, nigga.
Hola, amigos.
Hola,
ये
esa.
भाई
So
आए
you're trying to creep up in here, man.
Yeah, you saw this motherfucker?
Oh, shit.
Vamos! Fucking night, hey! Come on down, everybody! Come on!
Hey, nigga, I would've just got my ass beat over a fucking gunfight.
Fuck, they must have heard some shit. Find your bitch ass and cover. Fool, I ain't making no friends out here, homie.
भाई ये अपने को निशाना
on your
पे
left.
Ayúdale! your trigger happy, you will even blast a fucking milkman.
What? Nigga, I don't even like milk.
ये देखो शाना चेक करो
You the new kind of hood, motherfucker. Hear about these motherfuckers? Light them up. They're so fucking dead. These marks don't even know me. Here, fool?
You just blast their people. That might be why they irritated.
ये देखो
We trapped. Get in behind the truck, homie. They got me pinned down. Shoot that gas can.
And I know Simeon expect us to come up here and kill motherfuckers and make him accessory to murder.
Bitch. Even this shit out, homie. Grab the shotgun. Let's get through this. Damn, man. Just when I thought this shit was clearing up.
You ain't friends wherever your ass go, nigga.
Up there, to the right! You'll get PC'd up in the can, nigga. Up there, shoot that nigga! Bust his ass! Fuck! Check that door! They trying to back! Shoot the gas, homie!
चेक करो तुम्हारे भाई का
Yeah, barely, homie.
Shit, we gotta get the fuck away from this shit.
Man, we only came here for a bite.
And that motherfucker is right there. Hey, nigga, come here, we got your piece shit. May as well get this shit done.
Man, this is fucking crazy.
अब हमने बाइक वाले को पकड़ना है बाइक वाला बीम का साथी
You
था
driving, right?
तुम्हारा बाइक फुल जख्मी हालत में
You crazy motherfucker. Why we have to pop all those people?
You was there too. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you shot more of them than I did.
Yeah.
ये हमारा इस वजह से मिशन गलत हुआ है फेल हुआ है कि हम गलत रास्ते में आ गए थे अब दोबारा कोशिश करते हैं
Let's get it.
We really gonna repo after all this bullshit. You crazy motherfucker. Why we have to pop all them people?
You was there too. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you shot more of them than I did.
Yeah, but you started this shit, stupid.
Man, you lost him already.
That's a monster fucking bike you riding, stupid.
This punk get away, we going down, homie. Fuck. You gonna pin us for all these bodies.
And whose fault is that, Mr. 80s action movie body count motherfucker?
Don't play the blame game. Just get on this shit. God damn.
भाई
Motherfuckers getting away from
नहीं
me.
हो रही
That's because he's sitting on 140 cubic inches right there, nigga.
Oh shit, Professor, you're right. You slipping, fool. Yeah, it's right. Stop that fool. We need him on his ass so we can get what we came for. Shoot that motherfucker.
You fucking asshole!
That's the fight we came for.
Fucking pendejo!
Get that bike back.
Man, sorry about that.
Bye-bye, asshole. Dog, we gotta lay low. Get the bike and meet me at the car wash on Innocence. Yeah, I see you over there.
अब हम एक बाइक पकड़ेंगे, उस बंदे को देंगे जो हमारा साथ। अपने बाइक की ड्राइविंग चेक करो, तुम्हारा भाई राइडर बन सकता है।
Man, I can't hang with your ass for a while, bro. Psychopath. You done finally fucking lost.
Nigga, that's that Apache blood in me, homie. Get a tomahawk and scalp that motherfucker.
Can't repo the assets of a dead man, big sitting cheap asshole.
Nigga, and we ain't going to neither, nigga. I'm gonna keep this motherfucker for myself. Tell Simeon we couldn't recover.
You fucking tell him, you fucking moron.